Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me from ClearVue Technologies today is Executive Chairman Victor Rosenberg. Victor, welcome back.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to speak to you again.
ClearVue is developing solar technology fitted directly into windows to produce renewable energy. Where is the company at today?
Firstly, I just want to say that our listing and our float is very successful. We raised $5 million, and of course that's given us the funds to go through the commercialization programs now. Where we are today, we are laying very solid foundations so that we can build a solid structure for our business to grow and grow. Number one, a very important step that has happened is previously part of the solar strips or solar cells were outside, were on the frame. What we have done now is we have taken that solar strip off the frame and incorporated all the solar material into the glass structure.
Now to the highlights for 2018. Let's talk about the financials.
We raised $5 million on our float, which was a successful float. And in actual fact, in the last ASX table that came out, we were listed as the 4th most successful float this year.
And Victor, what can you tell me about the operations?
We are now promoting and selling the technology in the glass unit. The frames and other structures are up to architects and engineers to decide how they want to package the product. This also gives us a lot of flexibility now for applications of the product. It can be used as a window, it can be used as a curtain wall. A curtain wall is basically a skin around the building of glass. It can be used in the facade of a building. Very importantly, as a skylight in a house or a building, and of course also awnings.
Now, Victor, can you tell us about the change in focus from integrated window frames to an industry standard insulated glass unit? What does that mean?
Our product is allowed to be sold in Australia, both for the IG unit and of course the curtain wall. We have complied with the European standard, which is another major plus. That gives us the right to use the letters CE. And we just come back from the States where we are looking to get American accreditation, and that's called UL. There we need to do 2 tests. One is for electric and one is for the structure. There is no standard that actually combines both. They're separate standards. And what we are hoping to achieve in the long term, or near term actually, is to create a new standard which incorporates both the electric and the structure in one BIPV product. That would be an unbelievable achievement for us.
Now to your agreement with Mirreco. Who are they and what has been agreed with them?
They have developed a process using the hemp, which when formed, it's like concrete. So it's good for structures like homes and buildings and any other construction. What they want is to have an absolute zero net energy structure. And in order to achieve it, they've approached us to use our glass technology in their structures, both the mini home, which we'll be doing in December or late November, early December, and any future structures like bigger homes that they will be developing.
Last question now, Victor. What's the focus for the next 12 months and for longer term?
Moving forward, the real exposure of our product is going to be at the Fenestration show in Port Douglas, where we'll be exhibiting our products in Australia. In October, we are going to launch in Europe at GlassTech in Germany, which is, I think, one of the largest glass shows in the world. And in fact, we were invited there because they're interested in our new technology, and it'll be displayed in the new innovation center or area. And in November, we will be going to Greenbuild in Chicago, where we will be displaying our products again at one of the biggest shows in North America. And those are really the 3 shows that we're looking to launch our product globally.
Victor Rosenberg, congratulations on your results and thanks for the update.
Rachel, thank you very much for taking the time. It's my absolute pleasure. And I would always like to keep you updated as we progress into the future.